Alright, quick update on Bitcoin and the stock market ahead of the next FOMC meeting. So as of the time of recording this, it's going to be about 4 hours until the next interest rate hike has been decided. And it's looking like, obviously the markets have been rallying into this FOMC like they normally do, but it's looking like most of the move to the upside has already been priced in. Now, I'm personally on the fence that we're going to get a 50 basis point increase. We've recently been looking at Fed commentary. In the most recent FOMC minutes, they mentioned more rate hikes are necessary, rate cuts will not happen in 2023, and also the Fed said we require substantially more evidence to indicate to us that inflation is coming down, and we need substantially more evidence for us to consider pivoting towards a 25 basis point increase. But it seems like the markets are predicting there's only a 2.3% likelihood of a 50 basis point increase. So either way, if 50 basis points comes in hot, the markets are not going to be expecting this, and they're going to be caught with their pants down, and it's very likely the S&P 500 starts heading down and Bitcoin starts heading down. And on the off chance that we do for some reason get that 25 basis points, which doesn't really make much sense from a Fed perspective, considering the DXY is coming down, bonds are coming down a little bit right now. It's a do or die situation for the Fed. They need to take control of the markets once again, because if the stock market keeps on rallying and they're not keeping a hold on inflation, then we're once again going to see inflation come back into the economy, especially with the China reopening. So really, 50 basis points is brutally negative for the markets, but it's looking like the markets are already in a 97.7% agreement that we're going to get 25 basis points. So I think this is predominantly priced in at this moment in time. That doesn't mean that if we do get 25 basis points that we can't push up a little bit further. In terms of Bitcoin, if we do push up, I don't believe we'll be heading above 25,000, this previous macro top. We are still making macro lower lows and lower highs across the board. For the S&P 500, it's really important that we do stay beneath 4,135. So for example, if we get 50 basis points, it's very likely that we just start cascading to the downside. If we do get 25 basis points, you really do not want to see the S&P 500 breaking 4,135, because we will be invalidating this asymmetrical 5-wave triangle Elliott wave theory. And as you can see, this has been in place since the top. We had a 5-wave structure into this, a 5-wave correction into this 5, A, B, C, D, E asymmetrical triangle, which is technically a continuation pattern. Now, outside of my thoughts, outside of the fact that I do believe Jerome Powell will need to take control of the economy once again, and they really do need to get a hold on inflation, so I think 50 basis points is the most likely option. There are some other signals out here. For example, Michael Burry tweeted yesterday, he deleted this since then, but I reshared this over on my Twitter. Yesterday he tweeted sell, and also yesterday Jim Cramer said that we're in a bull market and it's time to buy. So most smart traders are inverse Cramer, and also smart traders are definitely on the side of Michael J. Burry. So we'll definitely just have to see how this works out. I will post the results of this FOMC meeting over on my Twitter. I will be away for kendo training by the time that the FOMC results do come out, so I'm just getting a quick update out for you now, sharing my thoughts on both situations. I think 50 basis points is incoming, and I will share the results as soon as they come out on my Twitter at 618_cowboy. Once again, it looks like 25 basis points is pretty much priced in, and if we do get 50 basis points, the markets are not going to be expecting this, and they are not going to like the results. That's all I've got for you today. As always, my friends, if you do enjoy the content, let me know down below by leaving a like and a comment. Share the videos with your friends, and if you do want more of my posts, charts, memes, economic data, and things like the FOMC results while I am away from YouTube, be sure to follow me on Twitter at 618_cowboy. Come and join the Discord, click on the about on my channel, and you can see all of my official links. Twitter, Discord, Instagram, and the merch store are down below. For today, my friends, that's all I've got. It's been your boy Cowboy Trades. See you later on Twitter. I'm out. Peace.